Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for this class of Junior 1. Our today's lecture number is 27 for the annual term examination, and our topic is before, after, between. Topic is before, after, between. Already you have learned this before, after, between. It's a fourth class for before, after, between. Okay, I have write down 6 problem on the board, and we will solve today how to write down the before number, after number, and between number. Okay, so activity number A. First one is blank, and next number is given 325. After the blank, the number is given 325. So you have to write down the before number of 325. Okay, it's 325, so it must be 300. Okay, because the hundredth position is 3, that's why it should be 300. And what is the before number of 25? That means which number comes before 25? Yes, we know before 25 the number comes is 24. So it's 24. That means the whole number will be 324. That number comes before 325. Okay. Now the next one is activity B. First one is blank. Then 451 is given. 451 is given. That means we have to find out the previous number. That is the before number of 451. It's 400. So the number must be in the 400. Okay. So write down 400 here, 4. Now which number comes before 51? Yes, the previous number of 51 is 50. That means it must be 450. So dear students, 450 comes before 451. So easy. Now the next one is activity C. The number is given, the previous number here is given 390. We have to find out the next number of 390. That means which number comes after 390 we have to find out. So after 90 which number comes? It must be 91 comes after 90. So 391 comes after 390. It must be 391. 391 comes after 390. I think you have understood. It's so easy. Now activity D. Its number is given is 472. Which number comes after 472? We have to find out. Okay, so it must be 400 because the given number is 400. Now after 72 which number comes? It's 73. 73 comes after 72. So 473 comes after the number 472. I think you have understood. Now the last two, we have to find out the between number. We have to find out the between number of these two number and of these two number. Okay. Now first one is activity E, 435, and here will be 400. Sorry, it will be 437. Okay, it will be 437. Now 435, 437 is given, and we already learned how to write down the after number and how to write down the before number. Okay, so after 435 which number comes? Is 436. That means here will be 436. And look, before 437 436 comes. That means 436 comes between 435 and 437. Okay, so our answer will be 436. Now the last one, we have to find out the between number of 349 and 351. So 49 and 51's between number is what? 49 and 51's between number is 50, and it is 300, so it will be 350. That means 350 comes between 349 and 351. I think you have understood, dear students. So the lecture is very, very important for you, although it's so easy topic and it's so easy to understand. Okay, stay home, stay safe, and you should practice more and more at home. See you again. Allah Hafiz.